Hello everyone, my name is Amos and today we will be playing my game, which is called ARMD Terminal Summoner. Some people might be wondering why I called the game that, and I don't care to answer that. So let's launch a virtual machine to test the game first of all. That way we can see what it's like to install the game for the first time, and I will see if it works on a different computer than mine. So let's just fix the resolution first, because that is quite annoying. Full screen, baby. And I won't be able to read the comment because I haven't turned on my secondary monitor, which I don't do often because, you know, it messes with my wallpaper and stuff. The way I hard-coded everything on my system is just not really practical. But that is beside the point of today's video. Today we are playing a game. If I can just find the internet. Here you go. So we are looking for itch.io. Amos Nimas ARMD. I don't know if that would work, but it's already there in my recommendation. So not anonymous, not to be confused. We are actually looking for me, which is Amos Nimas ARMD Terminal Survivor. There it is. There it is. ARMD Terminal Summoners. And you have some instruction on how to install it. Early alpha notice. It's still very beginning and everything, but it should be working. Who cares? No, just take me to download. That's if you don't want to pay for the game, but I suggest you do that first and go back and pay for it if you enjoy it. So you have the README, which I suggest you download if you don't know how to set it up. You can optionally download the sounds. I will modify it so that you can customize the sound later, because I like customization. I like people to be able to make easy mods for the game. But for now, I just wanted to have something working. So I already had one version, an older version of the game here. So let's just remove the previous version of the game that we had and rename the new one to ARMD. We ain't done yet. I'm gonna close this, close that pop-up, close the terminal window. And actually we want to open a terminal window. So we go into System Tool, LX Terminal. Might be different on your system, might be a different terminal altogether. So it was downloaded into our download directory. So it's here. Let's make it executable with chmod plus X ARMD like this. It's a bit small. I don't know if I can make it bigger, so let's go into the preference. We can zoom in regardless, so let's try to zoom in. It's shift control plus, so let's try that, shift control plus. There you go. That way you should be able to see the comments I enter better. So let's run that command, and now you can see it is a different color. That means that it's an executable, but we ain't done yet. What we want to do is go into our bash rc file, and at the bottom last line of that file, which we are right now, let's create an alias. So alias ARMD equal, you can call it whatever you prefer actually. It could be just I don't care. So and we need to specify the location of the file. So in our case it would be home/downloads and ARMD. That is the location of the file. So now we need to source the bash rc file, and we should be able to play now from everywhere on the computer. So let's try that. ARMD.
New session initiated.
It works. First try, baby.
Virtual combat protocol engaged.
I should probably make it optional to turn off these text-to-speech bits, but who cares? So that's our enemy, Gzigzi Watu, level 2 and only 20 HP, max HP 20, power 4. I would try to work, I would try in the future to make it so that it's written as 20 out of 20 instead of max HP, but that was so much easier to code, you have no idea. And I still don't know how I'm gonna make it look the way I want without making these functions that I used for this feature, you know, not modular. I like to keep stuff modular. So regardless, we have nobody as a user, and we have user. But user has more HP, but nobody has more power. I prefer HP, but that's, that's personal preference. There is a chance that the item will be destroyed during the upgrade. Select an item to upgrade or enter 0 to upgrade none. Remember, if I pick an item to upgrade it, it might be destroyed. So let's try to pick an item to upgrade it. Item upgraded successfully, but I wish there was a sound there. See, that's a feature I will add in future updates, but for now that's what you have. But it wouldn't be nice to have like a update successful sound implemented into the game. Like, it's already a text-only game. If the sound design isn't perfect, it's harsh. It's harsh. So now that I successfully upgraded my gem that increased the power of my creatures. Oh, I should have wrote that into the readme. That's a note to myself to specify that into the readme, that the gems are for power and potions are for health. So adding 1 health wouldn't make really much sense. So let's go with the gem. So gem was used on user. User power increased by 7. That is nice. See the colors, it makes sense. It's an item, it's yellow, it's a user, it's green. That's the name of our summon. User has the initiative, so we start first. We attack. So Gzi Watu took 12 damage, and Gzi Watu has 8 HP left, so we almost won already. Gzi Watu attack. We took 2 damage, and I have 50 damage left. 50 HP left. That is good. I'm describing the battle here. Oh, damn! Who did the critical? I forgot. So it should probably display the name of who does the critical before the critical, because if we took that out... Okay, so our opponent took the 50 damage and has 32 HP left. That critical hit was good. It's not under our command. So we can heal creature, and that's pretty much all that we can do. So let's do that. User has been fully healed. So why weren't we able to do more than just heal our creature? That's part of the game. You need to defeat creatures that are stronger to get higher rewards. That makes sense, right? So to get stronger creature, let's go into our system. Let's go into documents and launch the ARMD
Virtual Combat Protocol engaged.
Again. So we are fighting against Armon. I wish I will defeat him so that I can add him to my inventory of summons. So because it's a very cool name. Let's pick nobody this time. Why not? What item do we want to improve? Let's try to improve our potion. It's now level 2, but let's not use it. No item selected. Yeah. Enter to continue. Armon has the initiative, so the enemy will attack first, which is not good since we don't have a lot of HP, but we are still alive. Let's attack again. The enemy is still alive. We have some HP left, and we won. Nobody won. I think somebody wins. That's for sure. Armon is now under your command. Yes, and now since we first of all we fought an enemy that was stronger than us, and we were deeper into the system, so we have all of these options to upgrade or get items. So I want more items for now because we ran out of items. So we received a gem value 3, and that's it. I expected more, to be honest. I expected more. I'm a bit disappointed. Should have went with the upgrades. MK deer, P level 1, level 2, level 3. So that's how you create rooms for yourself, just like that. And I will do that so that when I do LS, we have level 1. We can go into level 1. Try armed.
Virtual Combat Protocol engaged.
It should probably display on top the difficulty or the level. That will be in the next update if I don't forget to add it. Corti is our enemy with more health and more power than all of our previous enemies. So let's try to put Armon against this new opponent that I forgot the name. So we still have our potions and gems. So let's try to upgrade the gem. We upgraded it successfully. Let's equip that gem onto Armon. Corti has the initiative. Corti attack. We took 30 damage. We have 20 HP left. Let's continue. Oh no, we did that damage. Cordy attacks. He took 16 damage. What? Armand is our creature. I forgot. Oh, we do a critical. But you see, I wish the critical wouldn't clear above, so that we would see who is doing the critical. That's for another update. Oh, did we took a critical? Damn, we took a critical hit. Armand was defeated. I did not expect that. I did not see that coming. So let's go with the potion. The item was destroyed. I'm trying to upgrade it. We have 8 HP left and we attack and we did not beat him. So that is disappointing. Let's go with why not user. Hopefully user won't die. Cordy is now under command, and we have all of these options. I think I should probably increase the level of the main user so that he doesn't always receive all of these options whenever he beats somebody, because he's just level 1, but he is stronger than a level 1, so I should probably, you know, make that make sense. So now we can upgrade one of our creatures, so let's upgrade. Why not upgrade user? We haven't healed our creature. We haven't healed our creature in quite a while, so they all are lacking. User was upgraded. Thankfully, we haven't destroyed him because that was one of the potential outcome. So let's go into level 2, shall we? Level 2, armed.
Virtual combat protocol engaged.
And we are fighting Scalu, which is hecka powerful. Level 5 with our measly level 4 here. So let's go with that. Scalu as initiative. Then we take damage first, which is never a good thing. We did some damage, but at the end of the day, I don't think we will survive that battle. Yeah, he still has a lot of HP, and we are dead. So let's pick our new upgraded. Actually, I don't want to risk destroying our new user because he doesn't have all of his HP yet. So he can go up to 61, which is bad. So let's go with our nobody here, which will survive, do an attack, and inevitably die. So let's try with our user. We barely survived that one. And we won, but that was close. So we should probably heal our creature, even though we could upgrade him and go into level 3 already. Oh, that is soon to go there.
Virtual combat protocol engaged.
So we are fighting V, which is not that stronger than the previous opponent we faced, so that shouldn't be that hard to defeat. We can already use Scalu, which was way more powerful than that. We got lucky, I think. I think we got lucky that the opponent... Oh! Who did the critical damage? Not us! That was not expected. V took 15 damage, so he's not dead yet, and we have lost a lot of HP because of that critical damage. I really like the critical feature though. So Scalu attack, and he's still alive. If he kills us this round, it's not the end of the world. We still have user, and we took damage. We're still alive. And boom! Critical! That was a good time. Since our user still has a lot of health, I would go with the upgrades. And we should probably upgrade V, our new combatant, because he has a lot of HP. And with the upgrade, he should have even more HP. And we ran out of levels, so let's keep fighting on this level because I don't want to create more
Virtual
levels.
combat protocol engaged.
But it's not that hard to create more levels. I showed you how to a moment ago. So we are fighting this guy, which has 30 power. So yeah, he can defeat us quite fast. Since we don't have our full HP, we should probably have tried to heal our creature first by doing some simpler battle. We might lose this one. So let's use our user as cannon powder. He took some damage. Oh, we did a critical! Oh, and that didn't suffice. And we can attack one more time. and we died. Our user is dead. We have V, our new combatant, which will attack with 20 damage. So healing seems like a waste at this point. Let's try items. So we get a gem, value 6, a potion, value 12, a gem, value 36. Oh, that was the right choice. See, it ain't always about upgrading your creature. Sometimes it's the best decision to just pick items. Sometimes it's the best decision to upgrade them. Sometimes it's the best decision to heal them. It's a strategy game. And it's working out of the box. So I suggest that you try it. I should probably note the stuff I said I would improve in the further version of the game. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. That's it for today. I am ARMD. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you might want to try Armed Terminal Summoner on itch.io, link in the description. Not yet. Let's first